Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. My name is Omar Magdi. I'm a front-end developer from Egypt. I have created this project that I'm about to show you. It uses the following technologies: React, Formic and Yup, TypeScript, NextJS, Material UI. It's a front-end project deployed on AWS Amplify. And it communicates with a RESTful API backend that uses Django and Django REST framework. Okay, so you can see the project. All you have to do is type Cantiin-React.com and press enter, and then you will see the project. You can zoom in or zoom out. Let's keep it at 100%, and you can find here a list of products. For example, this is a mobile. It's in stock. The price is $20. You can find a CPU. It's in stock. The price is $3. And there is pagination. So let's paginate. We keep paginating like this. So there is a Samsung. It costs $1,000. Let's zoom out again. And here's this list. It's a drawer, you can open it or close it. When we go to the home page, this is the home page. When we go to about, you can see the link of the GitHub repository, the website, the YouTube video link, and the RESTful API back in the link. And my favorite feature is that you can turn the dark theme on or off. That's my favorite feature. Let's keep the dark theme on. This is the login page, and this is the sign up page, so that you can log in or sign up. So let's try to log in. We are logging in now. Now that we have logged in, as you can see, we are now on the same we return back to the home page, and there was here log in and sign up. It disappeared because we are logged in. Now let's log out. It appeared again, and login or sign up appeared right here. Okay, so we have discussed successful pagination, successful login. Okay, but what about when things do not succeed? What happens? Okay, so now we are on page 3, as you can see here. Okay, so what happens if the user manipulated this and then he wrote, is this a page 3? This is a text, and this text should have the ability to be converted into integer, so can be converted into 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, but what if the user, for example, typed text like that cannot be converted to numbers like ABC? In this case, he will handle it as if it was page number 1. So ABCD, he will handle it as if it was page number 1. Okay, but as we can see here that the maximum page is page number 4. So what happens if we tell him a page that is more than the maximum page? So for example 700. So what happens here is that we return to page 1. Again, page 700, we return to page 1. Okay, so this was for a failing pagination. Okay, let's talk about a failing sign up. We have here 3 fields. They are all required. We have username or email, we have password, and we have confirmed password. So what happens if we try to create an account with all these fields empty? As we can see here, Formic with Yup, they start together working, and he tells us that this username or email is required. Okay, so let's try here the username of admin. Let's give it a password. Okay, so now confirm a password is required. Let's give some password. As we can see here, he says passwords must match, because this is not the same as this password. The confirm password is not the same as the original password. Okay, so now everything is the same. Now let's try to sign up. Okay, as we can see here, a username with that email already exists, which means that there is a username called admin, so we cannot recreate the same username. Okay, let's call him admin0007, like James Bond or something. Okay, now let's try to sign up. And as we can see here, we signed up successfully. And now the login turned it into logout. And okay, so let's try to log out. Okay, here let's try admin 007000, which username that doesn't exist, and then we hit enter. He tells us that the password is required, email or username is required. Okay, admin 000, that's username that we have created, and then we hit here any password that is wrong. He will send the request and tells us wrong username or password, and now we log in. As we can see here, we handled the errors successfully and there was no mistakes. One last thing I would like to show you is the RESTful API that this application has been communicating with all this time. So we have here this list of products. Each product has I created this. It's, as we can see, canteen.com/API. I have created this. It's using Django REST framework. So as we can see here, this product, the first name is mobile. It has a price. It's true. There is pagination. So this is the RESTful API that the application has been communicating with all time long. So let's try to log in. Now that we have logged in, now we can create products. Now let's say iPhone 2, and this is for one. Yes, it's in stock. Now let's try to post it. Yeah, okay, we can see that this product has been added. So it's this product. Now it's on page 4. Now when we try to log out, as you can see here, as we are logged in, then the products list has the ability to create products in the end of the page. Now as we log out, then we cannot create more products in the back end. The last thing I would like to say is that you can display the source code of this project and see the documentation of it and all the links related to this project on github.com/OmarThinks. OmarThinks is my profile, GitHub profile, /Cantiin-React-NextJS, and you can see the source code here. For example, these are all the folders that you might need to take a look at. Pages, for example, login. This is the login page, and let's return back. You can also find the tags, and this is a tag. I'm creating a new release, and you can find anything that you would like related to the project on this documentation. So thank you so much.